Welcome to the Caribbean Vegan Foodie. Today we're making a classic Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Let's go!
The vibe.
Here are the simple ingredients that you are going to need. So you will need fine cornmeal, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, coconut milk, sweetener of your choice. I'm using maple syrup. You could use honey or sugar, it's up to you, and water. That's it. So I like to begin by mixing about half my milk, about a cup. I'm using 2 cups overall, and about half cup of my water with my cornmeal, and just mix it together to make a little slurry and set it aside. Next, I add my water to a pot and some salt and bring it to a boil. Overall, I'm using 3 cups of water and 2 cups of milk in this recipe, and I don't like to add all of my water at once in case I don't need it, because I don't like a watery porridge. As your water comes to a boil, you want to add your cornmeal mixture, and then you want to just whisk it. Continue mixing it until it starts coming together, until it starts thickening up. This will prevent your porridge from getting lumpy, and no one like a lumpy porridge, so just whisk it. It might take a while for it to come together, but just continue whisk it. As it comes together, it might be a little thick, so you can add more water at this point. I didn't use all my 3 cups of water, so I have remaining water that I continuously add. After getting into a nice consistency, I add more milk. And by the way, I'm using a Grace canned coconut milk, so I'm not using the box one that we use for cereal. This is the canned coconut milk that we use for rice and peas and cooking. Cover and let simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I tend to go up to 30 minutes, but if you're short in time, 15 minutes will work fine. Remember to continuously check on your porridge. You don't want to get it burned or stick to the bottom. And if it's getting too thick, you still can add more water if need be. I like to add my vanilla at the last minute because I like to have that nice vanilla flavor. I love vanilla, by the way, but you can add it at the same time you add your cinnamon and nutmeg. So I added at the last minute, and then I add my sweetener. I let my sweetener boil in so that after my porridge is cooked, I'm not adding my sweetener to it and getting it thin, because I like a thick porridge. By the way, the full recipe for this will be in the description box, so please check that out. There you have it, cornmeal porridge Jamaican style. I think this might be the most popular breakfast for kids in Jamaica. My grandma was always making cornmeal porridge for us when we were going to school. Let me put you on a little thing. Strawberry with cornmeal porridge. If you never try this, you're missing out. The flavor combination together is amazing. When I discovered this, it was like the only way I can eat cornmeal porridge is if I have strawberry. So you need to try this. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell a friend. Until next time, walk good.